All right, guys. Today, I'm doing stuff with Dylan. We got this 2014 Lincoln MKZ. I'll show you what it takes to get the training out. This is going to be a rundown video. It's not going to show you every step, but I'm going to show you all the important stuff. I'm going to show you how to get it out and how to put it back in. How to fill it up, all that stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get straight to it. Got the top done. Took the battery out, the battery box, the air box. There's the order I took everything off. This is the air box, battery bracket, the lines, and this bracket here, the starter bolts, and then I took 4 bell housing bolts out. There's 2 in the middle, 1 in the back, 1 in the front. I use my long wrench for the front and the back one, and my 3/8 impact for the middle 2. Pretty self-explanatory. I'm leaving this top mount bolts in until I get the subframe out. Guys, ready for the subframe to come out. Wheels and tires. Front mount. Ball joint. These are the rack bolts. Front control arm. Sway bar. Axle. And the rear mount. Don't forget to tie up the rack. As you can see, I left my control arms hanging that way. I think that's the easiest way on these instead of messing with these. But you can do it however you want. Pretty easy now. I'm gonna put a high horse under the motor, and pretty, what we like to say in the business, I got a cock and a downhill swing. I think it's from golf, I don't know. Got the cross member out, guys. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this cat out of the way. I'm just gonna put a little heat on these nuts because they ain't coming off easy. So I already got my O2 sensor unplugged. All right, I'm gonna try to remove this transfer without removing that oil line for the turbo. So you guys don't have to try. You'll see if I'm able to do it or not. So that'll give you an idea. That's why I make these videos. I'm gonna try to get it off there. I got all the bolts out. You can see it's starting to drip. I'm gonna go ahead and pry that out of there. I'll let you watch. I got it out. I did remove that cat, but I didn't remove that oil line. 3 15s and a 13. You guys know how to do it so it doesn't get all over when we get it out. Right here's the drain. Burner sticking. No studs, and it's still sticking. Why it's leaking out of the front. Pry bars always get converters up and stuff pretty easy. Oh, what a mess. I'm doing a harness from the back of the training. Alright guys, when you're putting the torque converter bolts in, you've got to start with this one right here. It's got square sides on it. I know it's kind of hard to tell, but the sides are squared compared to the rest of them. So start with that one and they'll all line right up. Torque converter bolts are 18s and the crank is an 18. Hey guys, just got that linking done. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. It calls for like 10.5 quarts, but it's got a stick so you can check it. Thanks for watching. Let's get straight to the next one. A lot of times these units end up having a delay in reverse when you first start out. This one's right there. All right, I'm gonna go check the fluid and get out of here. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna stick a couple videos up over there. If you check them out, I'd appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button. It's the best way to support my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's keep it moving. On to the next one.